Kaohsiung is Taiwan's largest port city and a vibrant hub of industry, culture, and tourism. Known as the harbor capital of Taiwan, it beautifully combines modern city life with scenic charm. Join us as we explore Kaohsiung's famous landmarks and hidden gems in this exciting travel adventure. Kaohsiung International Airport is Taiwan's second busiest airport, serving as the main gateway to southern Taiwan. It connects travelers to both domestic and international destinations, offering a convenient and modern travel experience. Here's a quick guide on how to reach the MRT station after arriving at Kaohsiung International Airport. We've booked our accommodation near the Love River, so we'll alight at Formosa Boulevard Station and transfer to the Orange Line to reach Yanchengpu Station. See you again in our next episode. In the next episode, we'll explore the beauty of the Love River and discover what's inside the Kaohsiung National Museum of History.